Hello out there, Dark Age of Camelot community. I have another how-to video particularly pertaining to the master level credit tokens that you can get from the doppelganger shards. So I figure I'll cover all of that here. If you combine them and make a master level credit token, you can put the token in your personal vault, but you can't place it on your consignment merchant or in your house vaults. So what I would like to do is show you the workaround if you want to place master level credit token parts on your merchant so players can search them, purchase them, and make their own master level credit tokens. When it comes to getting your master levels, I don't know any players that actually run the quests in Trials of Atlantis anymore expansion. The 150,000 bounty points you need to get all 10 of your master levels can be grueling because not all the classes are equally spec'd as far as their effectiveness for running the weekly TOA quests. Some classes will struggle with the Cyclops mobs that are red and the Centaurs that are purple. Running bounty point quests on Wayne can help, like if you're running the King's Brew or the weekly Doppelganger where you kill the 30 Doppelgangers and the Doppelganger Queen. As far as player versus player, though, player versus player does not net a lot of bounty points on a kill. You typically get a lot of gold. You will need bounty points to buy the Doppelganger shards. You can only get piece 1 of 3 from Albion Doppelganger shards. Piece number 2 comes from the Midgard Doppelganger shards only. And piece number 3 comes from the Hibernia Doppelganger shards. As you can see, I bought 100 of each. It took me 48 Hibernia Doppelganger shards to get piece number 3. It only took me 16 on mid. I was already holding a piece 1 from the last time I cashed in bounty points for these items. One of the other bonuses, though, is you can get the pieces for the Metherians, the weapons, the accessories, and the cloaks. The cloaks and the Metherians are pretty good. I actually run the Doppelganger Curative Metherian on my Minstrel, which, as you can see, comes with mythical power regen 10%, concentration 20%, bonus to stat, enhancement spell effectiveness 10%, bonus to casting speed 2%. That's not bad, and it only requires champ level 10. But in a nutshell, if you want to make these items readily available for players on Wayne or Gaheris, this would be the way to do it, at least until Broadsword gets a patch update where you can put the master level credit tokens on your merchant. I don't know why you can't for now, but it won't let you. As always, folks, thanks for watching.